Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lamborghini Huracan easy updated. Start by plotting a low, angled side profile and draw basic shapes: wedge body, cabin, and two wheel circles. Keep proportions simple and measure wheelbase visually. Add a straight roof line and define the front and rear overhangs. Work from large forms to small details so the car stays balanced and dynamic throughout the sketch. Begin by aligning the wheels on the same baseline and spacing them to match the Huracan wheelbase. Build the body around the wheels with smooth fenders and angular creases that suggest airflow. Sketch the nose low and windshield steep to emphasize aggression. Keep strokes light so you can adjust proportions, then reinforce confident lines once the silhouette feels right and balanced from front to rear. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more drawing tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. They pair perfectly with long sketch sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals and to grab a pair if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on key details like the hexagonal intake, angular headlights, and side vents to sell the Huracan look. Block and door seams and the rear diffuser with deliberate, crisp lines, keeping details proportional to the silhouette. Use light hatching for shadow areas and soft gradient strokes for reflective panels to suggest volume. Step back often to ensure highlights and shadows follow the car's planes and maintain a cohesive, realistic appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.